Good day. My name is Oluwakayode Jasonya. I'm taking Java programming class EEGR 451. So I'm trying to explain how my project works. So I started with commenting my name, the professor, the class, the assignment number, and the title of the assignment. And on line 12, I import the Java class java.io, which contains all the libraries for almost anything you can do with Java. I could have decided to also use import java.util.scanner, but why use that when you already have one that can take everything? So I called my class main, and I declared my variables $x1, $x2 for the length of the first line, length of the second line, y1 and y2, the y-axis of the first and the y-axis of the second. So the problem we were told to answer was to find the distance between 2 points, and I thought about doing it, and the first thing that came to my mind was declaring my variables, and these are my variables, and I made it so that the user could enter whatever values he or she wants. Then I used the scanner so I can read files from the user, so that when the user enters something into the computer, it gets whatever I want stored, and the computer uses that. So from that, I input system.out the print line and enter point 1x, which is the first point coordinate. So whatever the user enters is stored as it is here. So if the user enters x1 equal to 7 will be stored. And I did the same for y12, for x2, and for y22, as you can see, to this place. And then I had to make use of the method we're told to use, which was mat.pow, which is for raising to the power of something, and also mat.square root, since the distance of 2 points is the square of the difference between the x plus the square of the difference between the y's. So I implemented that in this place, and I told my PC to print out the distance, which is stored as a double. And the reason I used double was because I wanted to create a room for numbers that are not just only integers. So even if the user enters like a fraction, he still gets his answer. And then I system outed. I told my PC to, on my IDE, to run the distance between this equal to this. I had to do this so it looks exactly like how it is wanted on the by the professor. And if we click run right now, we get this window. So it says enter points. The first point, let's say we entered 1. Then if we enter the second point, let's say we entered 2. Third point we entered 3, and probably the fourth point we entered 4. And this gives us distance between those 2 points equal to that. So for whatever value of x1, y1, x2, or y2 that is entered, the user will be given the distance between those 2 points to be recorded. So whatever value you enter, we can try something different. Example 2, let's try enter first point 3.4, the second point 6, the third point 7, and the last point 9, and gives us that. So I hope you understood how this could work, and thanks for watching.